Are you aware that there are particles that are so tiny, infinitesimal, miniaturized? These particles are so tiny that they can take part in a chemical reaction. You know what we call this particle? We call this particle atom. Therefore, it leads us to a subject we call chemistry. 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 In chemistry, we're going to be looking at atomic structure. Chemistry. Chemistry. We're going to be looking at what? Atomic structure. Atomic structure. This is the branch of chemistry that deals with the what? With the structure, composition, and behavior of an atom. Behavior of an atom. When you talk about the atomic structure, this is a branch in physical chemistry that talks about the structure, the composition, and the behavior of an atom. In this aspect, it also tells us the arrangement of electrons in an atom. It also tells us about the arrangement of electrons in an atom and their various energy levels. And their what? Various energy levels. Therefore, what is an atom? An atom, what is an atom? An atom is the smallest what? Smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. So take note of this now. An atom, one, is the smallest particle of an element. Okay? Two, that can do what? That can take part in a what? Chemical what? Reaction. Take note that I'm numbering it. I'm just trying to break it down for you to understand. So an atom is the smallest particle of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. Then what is an element? An element is a substance that cannot be split or broken into a simpler unit by an ordinary chemical reaction. So take note, I'm defining element because I made mention of it. So atom is the smallest part of an element that can take part in a chemical reaction. These atoms, they are made up of three subparticles. Atoms are made up of what? Three subparticles. Do you know what I want to tell you? These three subparticles, put it in your mind this way, as pen. Everybody say pen, pen. If you remember pen, what you use in writing, then you'll be able to know the particles. What are they? Pen, P is for what? Proton. So let me write it this place so you see it now. Pen. So once you remember, you automatically know what these three subparticles are. Pen, which is proton, electron, and neutron. Can you see it now? So these are the three subparticles found in an atom. In my next video, we are going to be looking at the characteristics of these three subparticles. I'd like you to share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook and Instagram at Adobe Fikemba. Thank you. See you in the next video.